It actually incorporates new technology and innovations to make every flight even more extraordinary. A place to unwind and feel at home with ease. It is truly a reference for long distance travel. This Airbus A380 does take off from Dubai International Airport to New York without a single stop. The A380 is a fully unique aircraft in more ways than one can imagine, and will continue to fly our skies for years to come. Its capabilities and operations are unique, connecting mega cities across the world with the largest technology and cabin